How much time is required for line maintenance? A. 45 minutes. B. 450 minutes. C. 45 hours. D. 450 hours. The correct answer is 45 minutes. Which of the following is the first business jet with fly-by-wire controls? A. Learjet 45. B. Learjet 60. C. Dassault Falcon 7X. D. Gulfstream G550. The correct answer is Dassault Falcon 7X. The Airbus A340 has a purely backup rudder control system. A. Electrical. B. Electronic. C. Manual. D. Hydraulic. The correct answer is electrical. What is the full form of FADEC? A. Flight Authority Direct Engine Control. B. Flight Authority Digital Engine Control. C. Full Authority Digital Engine Control. D. Full Authority Direct Engine Control. The correct answer is Full Authority Digital Engine Control. Which of the following is not true about FBW systems? A. Improved safety. B. High maintenance costs. C. Physically lighter. D. Reliable. The correct answer is high maintenance costs. Which one of the following is not true with respect to LRU? A. Increases system costs. B. Improves quality. C. Can be stocked. D. Can be replaced quickly. The correct answer is increases system costs. What is the full form of LRU? A. Line replaced unit. B. Line repositioned unit. C. Line rested unit. D. Line replaceable unit. The correct answer is line replaceable unit. Preflight inspection is conducted by A. Co-pilot. B. Pilot. C. Purser. D. Ground staff. The correct answer is pilot. Line maintenance is also known as A. Heavy maintenance. B. Electrical maintenance. C. General maintenance. D. Routine maintenance. The correct answer is routine maintenance. A FBW aircraft can be lighter as compared to a similar design with conventional controls. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Flyby optics is also referred to as flyby light. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Line maintenance can be both scheduled or unscheduled. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Line maintenance is less extensive than heavy maintenance. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.